Well, would you look at that? Look at how far you've become.
Also in the rehab, they give you morphine, and I don't think they're just going to give it to you here. He's like,
this series is known as one of my favorites. This series is named the LIDKE Library, also known as Spilled Milk Productions. And would you look at that? 390 subscribers. Interesting. See this man here? This is TREVOR LIDKE. He's the man who created the Thumb Wrestling Federation How Would Have Made It series. And so far, it has become a huge success. And it all ended with the final battle against evil. The final battle was Vinny Victory versus Senator Skull. Farewell, Senator. Forever. Now you're probably asking, how is this even possible? How did these wrestlers actually got the chance to go head to head? Well, on tonight's episode, I'm going to teach you all how this amazing thumb wrestler master actually did it. First, we go to Google. Then, we type in the name, Thumb Wrestling Federation. And after you type in that, you type in the name of the thumb wrestler you want to draw up.
Arizona, my friend Jean, the one who moved to Arizona in the horse. Cute. My friend made it. She had a contest on.
For this,
and then I said, I know I won, so just give
for this one, I'm gonna. For this episode, I'm gonna start with James Montgomery Flagg versus Muggsy Thumbscrew. Or better yet, I'm gonna go with this one. James Montgomery Flagg versus Big Bad Billy Gotetsky. Now I just press save. And after that, I just type in the name of the enemy that he's going to fight. For this one, I'm going to go with Captain Carpal. I'm going to go with Mr. Extremo fighting him. Now we just go to Adobe Photoshop. First you press open. Then you just select the file that you want to draw on. Oh shoot, wrong one, sorry. Here's the Mr. Extremo versus Captain Carpal. Now what I'm going to do is go to File, go to Place Linked. Then select the file that I'm going to draw up. Shoot. Now, in order for this to work, you need to align the thumb wrestler with the character you want him to fight. That seems aligned enough. Now, I'm going to use this lasso to erase the rest of the background. Now you just press backspace to delete it. Right after you go to Layer, and then press Rasterize. Then you just use this one in case, just in case. Here we are. Then you just press this one, and you just line it up with the wrestler, and there it is.
Yeah, but most of that stuff I was gonna donate.
Let me just clear the rest of it out, and done. There we go. That's all there is to it. Now, next thing you gotta do if you want to save it, just go to File, then press Save. Type in the name of the product you want it done, like James Montgomery Flag versus Captain Carpel.
There is new stuff in there. There is new stuff in there. Hopefully it's still in there.
Now you just go to Export.
It was actually, okay, so, you know what, that you can mix all vegetable.
And now that that's done,
As vegetable.
now everyone will get the chance to see this. And that's how you do your Thumb Wrestling Federation, how I would have made it series. That's how the great Trevor LIDKE did it. Trevor LIDKE, if you're watching this, just to inform you, I've been a huge fan of your series, and I hope one day you'll be able to create more thumb wrestling episodes just like this one. And to be honest, I don't really want your series to end. I have my own series of characters that you might have special interest in, but I'll save that for another day. Anyhow, that's all there is to it on the Thumb Wrestling Federation, how to create your own Dexter vs. Sinistra series. That's all for now. Please sure to like and rock and subscribe, and I will show you more on your own Adobe Photoshop real soon. Good night.